In today's ever-changing world, manufacturing companies can no longer focus on productivity and capacity alone. Now they must also proactively and profitably sense and respond to market dynamics. But without end-to-end effectiveness of production systems, businesses cannot achieve the level of productivity and agility to meet changing customer demands or produce high-quality products in mass and individualized quantities in volatile markets. SAP Manufacturing Cloud Solutions help businesses strengthen their supply chain foundation to protect them against disruptions. This means replacing disconnected systems and manual processes with an integrated, continuous flow of real-time business and manufacturing process information. The traditional boundaries between research and development, manufacturing, logistics, and operations are dissolving both within the enterprise and across the supply chain. With digitalization, manufacturers look to follow Industry 4.0 best practices to streamline manufacturing processes, improve visibility, drive customer centricity, achieve much higher levels of efficiency, and deliver new business models. By digitally transforming into intelligent factories, manufacturers can manage safe working conditions and ensure sustainability and regulatory compliance. This new operational excellence enables companies to sustainably address complexity, risk, and cost challenges across the extended supply chain. And with SAP's Digital Manufacturing Cloud, manufacturers can balance the trade-offs between improving customer experience and driving efficiency while fortifying the business by building resilient, sustainable supply chains. Resilient businesses need digitalized operations and supply chains that are built for speed, agility, and sustainability.